here today in Holland, Michigan. We're here to test aircraft integration with our platform Air Hub Portal. And we are also looking at a multimodal operations for all electric vehicles. We have Drone Delivery Canada and Workhorse Aero as partners for drone operations, and we also have Caduceus Medical Logistics for operations with medical ground courier.
Airspace Link has a partnership with the state of Michigan, and our big goal is to make Michigan a leader in what we're doing here in the community. By providing the digital infrastructure and the tools needed to be able to do that, we believe that Michigan has the engineering talent, the history of delivering game-changing technology to be a leader at this. There are so many partners that are needed to make this ecosystem work, and we believe that we fulfill a very important niche, which is the digital infrastructure and the communication between the operators and the regulatory bodies and the citizenry about how all of those pieces come together. And right now we take the data and the processes to be able to enable operators to be able to fly in a myriad of different ways, in a myriad of different use cases.